Hello, it's Ruby, and today I am going to be doing a back to university preparation vlog part 1. There are a few things I need to do ahead of the new academic year, and I thought that I would bring you along on this process. The first thing I need to do is write my packing list. I'm going to write this on Notion. I'm going to start with toiletries, and I'm going to go with shampoo, conditioner, body wash, exfoliator, and a sponge. Oh, and a razor. I also want to bring some makeup. Skincare equals face cream, exfoliator, cleanser. I would also bring some dry shampoo, a hairbrush, shower cap, towels, a hand towel, plus flannel, toothbrush. Okay, I think that's everything for toiletries. Then I'm going to go on to kitchen. So for kitchen, I do actually need to refer to the inventory list because the accommodation I'm staying in next year actually does provide a lot of the kitchenware things, and I don't want to accidentally double up on things. Here is my inventory. So I know that I want to bring my blender, my non-stick saucepan. I've got this great one. It's from Lidl and I love it. I don't think we have a sieve, and I use my sieve a lot. So we need a wooden spoon. Oh, I'll bring an electric matcha whisk because I have matcha every morning. And I also want to bring this cold cup, 2 times mugs, what's it called, mason jar. As I was editing this video, I realised that I didn't properly show you in depth the rest of the packing list, and I think it might be useful too. So next we've got cleaning. This is everything I'm bringing: detox, surface spray, laundry detergent. Yeah, it's all pretty self-explanatory. So let me go into decor. Just about, I want my university room to be really cozy, especially since I'm going to be doing most of my studying and most of my living like in my accommodation. I'm not really going to be leaving because of coronavirus, so I want to bring quite a few bits. Important thing here: laundry hamper, lots of photos. I'm going to set up a dark academia wall like I've got here. Then more just aesthetic things. So for example, I'm going to bring a teacup. Candles. I'm finally allowed candles this year, which I'm really excited about. So then we go on to bed, laundry bag. So I am bringing Snowdrop. She's my favourite childhood soft toy. Hot water bottles, blanket, sheets and spare sheets, a throw cushion and an eye mask. And then hobbies. This is very like miscellaneous stuff. Yeah, so yoga mat for exercise, goggles and some more board games. I'm going to bring playing cards, dingbats, and Harry Potter Trivial Pursuit. Oh, and Scrabble. Then I was going to bring my Hogwarts cloak for Halloween, but I'm not sure if I will. Bike stuff. Okay, so at this point I'm going to cut into showing you what I'm doing for my bike. My dad has been so amazing, and he's got my bike set up ready for when I go to university, like getting everything set up that I need on there. So cut to that. Yes, I am bringing my bike to university this year because I'm quite far away from campus, and my dad has been getting my bike already and like showing me how to use a bike pump and things, which I haven't done before. Dad, are you really going to make an espresso just for the video?
Yeah.
Well, this is Dad making his coffee. He's very proud of his coffee setup. Okay, he's going to show how the bike's coming along. Here's the bike. He's put mud guards on the bike so that when I'm cycling, I don't get mud all up my back. He's also put a light on the front so that I can see when I'm cycling at night, which is fantastic. Yeah, I'm really short, so Dad thought that we could hire the seats so we could put this other light on, but I'm too short. Yeah, that's it. YouTube related things, which is basically filming equipment like my tripod, my camera, chargers, technology. I'm going to bring headphones, and I've also got these mini wireless headphones by a company called One More. Obviously my laptop, iPad, oh, and Apple Pencil, my Polaroid camera and my printer. I use this HP printer, which is basically specially designed for student use. Yeah, it's this one, I think, the HP Inkjet. But when I bought it for like 20, so wait for a good sale if you're going to buy this printer, because I've seen really good sales on this. Personal blue light glasses, purse, keychain for my key, passport and watch, so pretty basic. Actually, I mean, I probably won't bring my passport, to be fair. I don't think I really need my passport. Then I've got cold weather things, books I'm going to bring, which definitely will change. Like, I'm basically going to bring like loads of books for my TBR, maybe like 20 recreational books, including book recommendations for my friends Sasha and Blakeney. And then finally, desk, I'm going to bring lamp, study planners, academic planner, bullet journal, watercolours, letter writing supplies, this lovely resin coaster. Yes, that's everything on my packing list. I then went through and italicized anything that I still needed to get. So there are a few things I want to buy for university before I go back. So the first thing is a really big purchase, and I'm going to do it first before I lose the kind of pluck to buy it, because I know that this will be really helpful for me to get. This is blue. I am going to get some blue light glasses. So these are the ones, oh my gosh, they're so expensive. Literally so expensive. Prescription, but they've also got a blue light filter, so I can use them for studying and editing and stuff while I'm at university, because I do spend a lot of time on my computer and I do get headaches. Okay, this is done. So this is my basket. I am getting some food containers, screen protectors for my phone, and then a pack of 4 lighters. And that is literally everything I need for university apart from cleaning supplies. I think I might just get those at the supermarket when I get back to university. Update, I found this one, which is $5.40, and you only get one, but I only really need one. It's the next day and we are continuing with the university preparation. The good news is that I now have my packing list completely finished, but I am going to bring my walking boots. I really want my housemate to bring hers too. We did speak about both bringing walking boots so we could go on long hikes together, but I'm going to send her a message to remind her to bring hers. Yeah, I want to bring a tennis racket, but I need to go and check that we have a tennis racket I can bring. Okay, there are the tennis rackets. No, this is a kid's one. Oh, and that's like really broken. No, maybe, but I feel like that's a really weird shape. And then there are these two, which are proper ones. I think this one is my sister's because it's the better one, so I'll take this one. I'm actually going to use this one, but we don't have any tennis balls because the dogs have eaten all of them. So hopefully Blakeney has some, but otherwise I will order some. I'm now going to register for the new academic year, which I haven't done yet. It's been open for 2 days now, and I'm going to re-register.
Back to what used to be home, passing by those little towns I know so well. Stop and forget.
Next, I wrote out my academic goals. So these are basically the grades I was looking to get in each of my modules. I really want to get a first in each of my modules this year, and I just wrote a quick note of how I could actually achieve that grade. Okay, so I'm writing out my academic goals here. There is an academics goals section in the academic planner. Because this planner is slightly more tailored towards school use, there is like space here to write down all of your subjects. I've done that for my modules, but in the remaining space I'm just going to write down some other academic goals of mine. I'm just going to run through these for you in case you're interested for inspiration. So my first goal is to read the news regularly and apply this to what I'm reading. My second goal is to be cultural and look at more art media outside of literature and then apply this to my work. My third goal is to plan my coursework way in advance, but not to do too much pre-reading because I kind of go a bit overboard usually. And finally, some of my seminars, it looks like are going to be online. I want to make sure that I make an effort to get to know my seminar leaders because I feel like it might be harder to do that this year than usual. I'm going to update my university bucket list, but I'm going to type this one so that I have a copy of it digitally. I feel like that's a good idea. A few of the things that are on here, I want to go paddleboarding in Exmouth because there's a place really close to the station where you can do paddleboarding. Want to go back to Exeter Museum, see the Exeter book in the cathedral, visit as Exeter Castle, which I haven't done yet, have an early morning picnic and watch the sunrise. A few ideas you might want to add to your own. Okay, so I'm gonna have to say goodbye to my long hair. It's really sad. I love having long hair. I think it's almost maybe the longest it's ever been. It's like pretty much down to my waist. Kind of, not quite. So that's
In a way, just maybe an inch or two.
yeah, I feel I might take off 2 inches because then I'll just get rid of like the dead end bit. Mum's gonna do it for me. She's been begging the whole of lockdown, but I need to wet it first, so I'm going to have a shower. Maybe like that. Not much, but just like enough that the dead ends are gone.
So weird compared to Dad's hair.
I find this clip so funny because I made such a big deal to myself that I was getting my hair cut and you literally can't even see the difference. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed my overdramatic response to cutting my hair when I literally got like an inch off. Okay, the hair is done. From the back, it looks super straight. And we had a bit of a fright because this is it from the back. When I did that, it was like this, which obviously makes sense because, you know, some of it's coming from the back.
So I'm not a trained hairdresser.
We'll see how I look tomorrow morning. Okay, it's the next day and this is what my hair looks like. Oh, I feel like Mum did a really good job. I'm very happy with this and it feels a lot healthier. Anyway, I am going to round off part 1 of this vlog here. In the next vlog, I probably will do a big declutter. I think it's good to do one before the end of the year. I've started with my digital declutter already and I feel so much lighter for it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope that you have a productive week.